This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Honda CRV headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver and your new headlight bulbs. Make sure your engine is completely off and cool to the touch for safety. Then, open the hood of your vehicle and locate the back of the headlight assembly you'll be working on. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Next, you'll need to access the bulb itself. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the bulb by pressing its tab and pulling. After that, gently remove the rubber dust cover, which protects the bulb from moisture and dirt. Finally, unclip the metal retaining spring or wire that holds the bulb securely in its housing. This will free the old bulb for removal. Now it's time for the replacement. Carefully pull out the old headlight bulb straight from its housing. When inserting the new bulb, handle it by its base and avoid touching the glass part with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Align the tabs on the bulb with the slots in the housing, then gently push it in. Secure it by re-engaging the retaining clip or spring. To finish up, reattach the rubber dust cover firmly over the bulb housing, ensuring a tight seal against moisture. Then, reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the new bulb. You should hear a click when it's properly seated. Before closing the hood, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.